let me introduce about the tool panel of the Adobe Illustrator program. It located in the left corner of the program, and it has a lot of functions. And now I will go to detail to introduce about each function of the Adobe Illustrator tool panel. It is the main function of the whole program. So here I have a picture present about all of the function of the tool panel. As you can see, it divides into many groups, and each group has their own possibility. The first group, called selection group, it contains 4 tool: selection, magic wand, direct selection, and lasso. You can choose it by clicking in the function or call the shortcut. The selection have the shortcut is V. The magic wand has the shortcut is Y. The direct selection A, and the lasso Q. The second group, called creating group, including some main function like pen. You can choose it by clicking on the pen icon, or just type P for shortcut. Here is a line segment. The pen brush, the shortcut is B. The block brush, you can choose it by clicking Shift B. Here is a type tool to help you type text in the picture, and this is the rectangle tool. This is a pencil tool. Here is the eraser tool. By pushing Shift E, you can easily choose it. The next group, containing the rotate tool. Shortcut is R. The width tool, Shift W. The shape builder, Shift M. The scale, S. The free transform, E. And the perspective grid, shortcut Shift P. The next group in here is containing mesh, eyedropper, gradient, and blend tool. You can see another group which have symbol sprayer by pressing Shift S, or column graph J. That is some optional tool. You can use it in advanced learning. The art dot, Shift O. The hand tool, H. The slice tool, Shift K. And the zoom, Z. You can see, like Photoshop, it also have the fill tool and the stroke tool. We also have default fill stroke, and swap between fill and stroke by pressing Shift X. There also small icon here, the color, the gradient, and none. So drawing mode, you can switch between this mode by pressing Shift D, and the screen mode. That is the basic tools of the panel tool. In here, as I said, each tool has their own shortcut, and if I want to choose pen tool, all I have to do is just click on the pen tool or pressing P. The cursor will change from pointer to pen. You can do that with the text tool by pressing T. And as far as you can remember this shortcut, you can easily make use of the Adobe Illustrator. One thing that I have to mention in here is that the subtool of this tool in the tool panel. As you can see in the tool panel, the icon which has a small white rectangle in the right corner of the panel means that they have subtool. Just by hold it for a second, and here the subtool will be up here. For example, in the direct select, it has two subtools called direct select tool and group select tool. The pointer, which doesn't have the triangle in here, doesn't have subtool. The text have subtool, including type tool, area type tool, type on opaque tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on opaque tool, and touch type tool. That is the main instruction of how to use left tool panel. And I will introduce to you how to use it in some next lesson.